User warning, Matplotlib is currently using AG, which is a non-GUI backend, so cannot show the figure. When plotting figure with pyplot on pycharm. I am trying to plot a simple graph using pyplot, for example. But the figure does not appear and I get the following message. I saw in several places that one had to change the configuration of Matplotlib using the following. I did this, but then got an error message because it cannot find a module. Then, I tried to install Catacombs using pip install Catacombs inside the virtual environment, but it does not find it. I should also mention that I am running all this on pycharm Community Edition IDE using a virtual environment, and that my operating system is Linux/Ubuntu 18.04. I would like to know how I can solve this problem in order to be able to display the graph.
Solution 1 is to install the GUI Backend TK. I found a solution to my problem, thanks to the help of important sub being Ernest. All I had to do was to install Catacombs through the Linux bash terminal using the following command. Instead of installing it with pip or directly in the virtual environment in pycharm. Solution 2, install any of the Matplotlib supported GUI backends. Solution 1 works fine because you get a GUI backend. In this case the CAG, however you can also fix the issue by installing any of the Matplotlib GUI backends like Qt5ag, GTCAG, Qt4ag, etc. For example, pip install pycharm will fix the issue also. Note: usually this error appears when you pip install Matplotlib and you are trying to display a plot in a GUI window and you do not have a Python module for GUI display. The authors of Matplotlib made the pipi software depths not depend on any GUI backend because some people need Matplotlib without any GUI backend.
In my case, the error message was implying that I was working in a headless console. So PLT, show could not work. What worked was calling PLT, tayfig. I found the answer on a GitHub repository.
If you use Arch Linux, distributions like Manjaro or Integros, simply type, and all will work perfectly.
Simple install. It works for me.
Try import Catacombs because pycharm already installed Catacombs for you. I looked install Catacombs for Python. You can maybe try. As a Catacombs installing way. I've tried your way, it seems no error to run at my computer, it successfully shows the figure. Maybe because pycharm have Catacombs as a system package, so you don't need to install it. But if you can't find Catacombs inside, you can go to docs to see the way of installing Catacombs. As it mentions, Catacombs is a core package for Python.
If you want to